Tonight I came home to a Norwegian krumkake. That's right, krumkake. And that's how you say it. We just got this iron. It was krumkake 911. We had to help Evan so that he could give these to his friends at school tomorrow. So you make the batter and this handy dandy krumkake maker. About 30 seconds on each side. And makes a perfect crunchy cookie. This one is Norwegian. It is basically eggs and some butter and some cardamom. It has a little bit of a flavor to it, sugar, and it's just like a thin pancake. You roll it up just like so, and when it cools down, it is very crunchy. Cool. Is it good? What's it taste like?
Sweet.
Is it crunchy?
Mm-hmm. Kind of like a sweet pancake, like a sweet thin pancake.